What up, boo?
I called you right when you're going live.
It's all good. I'm setting it up right now.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright.
Can I come on with you?
Yeah. What?
Like, do you have it set up or not?
Just go to that YouTube live server room.
Alright, see you over there.
Alright, cool, man. Just hop in whenever. I'm about to do the little intro, so.
Alright, bye.
Alright, man. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market, man. Thank you for tuning in tonight. How is everybody doing? What's up, NS, Rick Cogswell, OMG, pardon me, do you have any of that, we can hear you? Absolutely. Please stand by. Just stand by. What's up, Viral Video? How you doing, man? Surfing that BTC channel. Man, I'm not sure if we go to 40K or 37K right now. Tough fence? Absolutely, man. We're going to break it down tonight, do some TA over it. What's up, Alex? How you doing, man? Always a pleasure to see you, man. Crypto Critter in the house. Dude said hot mic. First, always wanted to say that. How is everybody doing tonight, man? We got Bitcoin 38,748, Doge 1432, Shiba 2187. Got a pretty good crypto chart looking on the screen right here tonight. We got HUD 8 mining up another 9%. Past 2 days, you're up 20%. Looking pretty good. LICY up 2.64%. Let's check out Canopy. Let's see what that did. We talked about that yesterday. Oh, it's Canoe. I'm sorry. I get them mixed up. Canoe Incorporated. That's up a whole 6.67% today. Broke that 160. So we'll be doing some TA on that too as well. Give everybody a few minutes to roll in. Then we'll get cranked up, man. Let's get this turned down a little bit. Hey, it's good. Really good, Alex. New exploded. Yep, let's check it out. Well, check this dude out, bro. What you doing, man? What are you doing? This dude's absolutely crazy, man. This dude done lost his mind. I gotta give him a proper, picture perfect, proper super chat. Bulldog Trading, thank you very much for that 69 super chat. Holy crap, man. What you doing, my dude? Thank you very much for that love, my dude. Wow. Busting out the stream hot, man. This dude's going crazy, bro. 69.69. Waiting for something crazy to pop off in the crypto world. Something just popped off in the chat. This dude dropping 69s. What's up, Andre P? Good to see you, man. Alright, yeah, let's check it out. New OMG. Bro. Bro. Yeah, Pluxy, you called it 22 freaking percent. 22.53%. Alright, where's it at? Where's it at? Let me end this mother effer. Bulldog trading, that dude's going freaking crazy, bro. Thank you very much for that 69 super chat. Yeah, come on, man. I'm in the YouTube live server room, my dude. Come on up. This dude's dropping some love, bruh. Check this dude out, man. That's in that back channel we got set up, Bulldog. Let me shoot you an invite. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna get my boy up here. What's up, doggy? Alright, wait for him to come live. What's up, man? I don't hear an echo, man.
Alright, must be me.
What you doing, man? This dude dropping, dude, some 69 times 4, bro. What you doing, man?
Hey, it's how I roll, bro.
Hey, man, I appreciate the love. You already know, man. Thank you very much. What you up to, man? This dude dropping a nut.
In a mass market, tell me what's happening.
I'm in this piece, man. What you, dude? You just trying to make me smile tonight, bro. What you doing, man? But I gotta give you a proper one. Thank you very much, Bulldog Trading, for that 1069 super chat, my friend. You got me clicking up Trading View right here. Nah, man. Hey, thank you, dude. Thank you very much.
Hey, man, I love you. Appreciate everything that you bring to the community.
All right, man. Love y'all too, man. You already know. I really appreciate it. What's happening, everybody? We got Clown Baby in the chat. Google will be roughly $140, $150 a share after the split with the current price. Yeah, man. You heard about that Google split they got going on?
Talk to me, bro. Tell me what's up. Break that news to me.
Yep. Let's bust it out. Watch. I got this article pulled up right here. Give me 1 second.
Matt's motherfucking market. So excited, man. So excited. Thank you for having me, Matt.
Nah, that's all good, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna be at your show tomorrow. So guys, everybody in the chat, make sure to come check us out over there. Which I'm stoked about, man. I really am.
We're gonna go big. Yeah, man. You helped me redesign the whole thing. It's gonna be beautiful. You're the genius behind it, so Know that, fam.
So Google is outdoing Apple and Tesla with a 20-for-1 stock split. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, announced a 20-for-1 stock split alongside its quarterly earnings report on February 1st. It's only second split for the stock since it went public in 2004. A 2-to-1 split in 2014 created the company's Class C shares in the process, and the new split is especially because of eye-popping split ratios right now. So yeah, they're doing a freaking 20-to-1, bro.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I got it for Apple. You know, I was in Apple when they did the 4-to-1. You know, and that came back, but it was like, man, they're doing a 20-to-1, bro. Like, let's see what it did to the price today. I didn't even look at Google. Check out some Alphabet. Yeah, let's pull it up. So it went up 10% aftermarket off that news, 1.61% throughout the day. That's a big move, dude, for Google. Holy crap, man, 9% in one day. That's a lot, man. What? No, F this box shit. Thank you very much for that $4.99. Wait, what?
I ain't trying to be in no box. What's going on?
I'm in a box. You want the camera up?
Hey,
Is that what you're saying?
Box. I don't know. What's good? No, I don't need the camera up. I mean, we can put the camera. What's up?
I'm in a box right now. That's what it's looking like.
Yeah, you're in a box. We all in a box right now, but man, there's some things going on.
And
Oh, I
you know
got
who's
you.
on top of that shit? Matt's market's on top of that game right now. He knows what's going on in the market, man. You know what? I'm Bulldog from Bulldog Trading, and you know who I call to see what's up in the market? Matt's market, because he knows.
Hey, appreciate it, man. Yeah, I think I had your audio turned down, so I got that thing cranked up. So, got you squared away.
All right, yeah, let's crank it up. Let's do it, baby.
So, you been buying anything lately, man?
Man, last Friday I've been buying everything. And then last few days I've been selling a couple things. I knew this week was going to be green. Just kind of an intuition type of thing, but I didn't know, you know, if it's going to continue to be green. But it's green this week.
This dude's super chatting again, bro. Thank you, Bulldog Trading. He's on the mic with me, but he's going crazy right now. $4.99.99 super chat.
All
Thank
I
you,
see
man.
is dogs on the top of your chat, bro. All I see
That's
is
dog, doggy, and doggy up there, bro. Nothing but dogs, man.
But I love y'all. Hey, man, Clown Baby. Nice to see you, OMG. It's beautiful to see you, too. Everybody in the chat out there. Hey, Rick Cogswell, man. Love you, man.
Yeah, Rick's my boy. He's been around for a while.
Yeah, Rick. Everywhere. Hey, Alex. Good to see you, too. Just Burn. Let's go. Appreciate you. So, man, what's going on in the market right now, man? Where you at?
Man, I told you yesterday I picked up some canoe. That did pretty good today. That was up 6.6% today. Currently closed at $1.60, so I was happy with that. Man, there was a lot of gap filling going on, man. I looked at a lot of stocks, and like the whole market's kind of moving up right here, which is kind of a good feeling, because I mean, dude, the past month and a half we had where everything was sitting in the red, I'm a little bit of green, man. It feels kind of good. It really does, man. It gets everybody excited again. You know, get some more buyers stepping into the market that might have been just sitting on the sidelines. So I've been looking at a lot of gap fills on a lot of different stocks and cryptos as of late, man. We talked about new yesterday. OMG brought it up. Puxon LTD, that thing ran another 22%. 3% aftermarket, so about 25% once again. I wasn't personally going to touch it because it had ran, dude, a lot. And it was coming off a nice bull flag, and then it did it again. So, yeah, I'm kind of watching that thing possibly for another move or maybe tomorrow. But it's way up there, man. It's hanging up there. So
and that's you know what? All the people who have been responsible in buying into these dips are being repaid right now. You know what I mean?
yeah, oh yeah, most definitely, dude. That's the importance of buying the dips, man, because you really start to capitalize when everything starts to come back, and that's why I preach it so freaking hard, man. So we got
you gotta understand what your capital is and how much you're putting in percentage wise as time goes on, right? You see the dips start and you start to scale in, right? I start to scale in with probably about 5% of my what I'm looking to get in. So I start scaling about 5%. Next move about 10%. Next move 20%. Next move, as things go down, try to get into those bad boys. And it's really paid off for those people who've been responsible and done those types of scale in moves. As we've gone to the bottom and come back up.
Yeah, dude. Hey, that's freaking awesome, man. I love the dollar cost average in. So that's what's up, bro. We got one shot. What's happening, dude? Just bum. Good to see y'all in the chat tonight, man. So yeah, man, we had a few companies miss some earnings today. MSTR missed the earnings. SBUX missed the earnings. Google killed it. GM, let's see, GM Big Red. Let's check it out. What GM did, man?
You're looking at GM. That's been my play for a little bit, man. I called it the other day at $50.
It's 54 right now.
I called it at 55. 55 to 65 was a great trade, and now I think it's still great at 54. To be honest, I bought in at 50 again. I got calls at 50 and 54. I like it here. I still like it here. Like, the government has the back of GM. What are you going to do about that? They have the money.
Yeah, they're not going nowhere either. I mean, Joe Biden was the vice president when they bailed him out, all them years ago. So, yeah, it's I feel where you're coming from, man. 54, chart looks pretty decent, man. So after market, immediately after close, it went down to 54 to 51, and then shot back up to finish the aftermarket hours up 1%. So that's good.
I'm a buyer of GM at 51 all day. My conviction as far as GM being above 51 months from now, years from now, is 100%.
You that convinced in it, huh?
They have the government. I mean, you know what I'm saying? We were on the other YouTube the other day, and they said, I was bullish on GM, and they said, well, list 5 reasons why. And I listed 10 reasons why.
Yeah, I was there for that, man. You were dropping them.
Those are the reasons, They've got the government paying for $12,500 every single one of their vehicles that they make. How can you ignore that? And then you got the CEO, Mara, whatever her name is, talking about they're going to outpace Tesla by 2025, right? And they have a plan to do so. They have battery companies to do so. They've already got everything in place, and they've been quiet and silent this whole time to do so. Plus, I drive a Chevy truck, and I do have a business called the Chevy Shop, so I am a little bit biased. So there is that. At the same time, but I like GM the most undervalued. Look at P&E. You look at anything right now as far as EV companies and how they're valued right now. GM is the most undervalued EV company out.
Yeah, I'd have to agree on the EV side, man. Because when they step up their game and really start pushing it, they'll be probably on the leading edge of the car market for electric vehicles, man. They'll be up there competing with Tesla and all these other companies. That's why I was kind of telling everybody about Canoe. It was a small little company I found, which the chart looks primed for a rip back to at least $4 or $5. So I've been watching that. It went up a good bit today, almost 7%. Still super cheap, $1.60 a share. Their concept is like these little moving minivans, which, man, they're actually pretty cool. I'd highly recommend just kind of looking into them. But you gotta be careful with those, I made a lot of money on Nikola when Nikola ripped to freaking. I had it super cheap. It was Vector IQ before they merged 2 years ago, and then you had Nikola come out, and then that shot up to $60. Luckily, I got out, in the 50s. So that was one of my real good plays I made a lot of money on. So I'm kind of looking at Canoe as a potential, man. At least trying to get a couple bucks out of it, out of the swing trade right now. So I picked up quite a bit of Canoe today, and I'm happy with it, man. I'm up about 5-6% overall. I got in a little bit after market open, so but I'm happy with it, man. That's pretty good movers today, man. BITF, I was looking at Tesla right here. Tesla pretty stagnant, still sitting under 1,000. BITF, crypto mining stocks, man, are starting to rise again. Now, BITF was up 6.5, and then 1.5 after market hours. So crypto mining stocks are starting to come back, man. And I kind of gauge those with crypto too, in a sense, because you know I'm watching those and I'm watching Bitcoin kind of stay still. So you never know. Sometimes you can compare the two and kind of see where the market's heading and anticipate
I've seen
something.
you make some amazing plays off of crypto and crypto mining back in the day. I remember you playing Riot that one day, and crypto had moved all weekend, and then you got into Riot that morning on the Monday, I think, and that was a beautiful trade.
Yeah, hopefully we can get back to that, man. That's a pretty good little trading strategy just for crypto to stocks, man. Hopping in on these crypto mining stocks when crypto's ripping, especially if it closed, Bitcoin would close Friday at 38, and then Sunday you sitting at 42. Man, you wake up pre-market on Webull and pick you up a couple shares. You're gonna make you 5, 10, maybe 15%. So definitely one of my little things I used to like to do. I haven't did it as of late because man, for the past month and a half, crypto mining stocks just been getting beat down to hell, man, and crypto as well. So stock market too, it's everything, man. But it's really nice to see some green in the market finally, man. Like it cheers me up, to say the least, man. I was tired of talking about dips.
Yeah, let's talk about some rips, man. What's going on out there? I know you're in touch. You got your finger on the pulse of the crypto market. What is happening?
Well, currently right now, man, we got Bitcoin 38,652. It did briefly break over 39,000. It's still in a ascending level of support. Man, I'm starting to feel like the market's trying to shake back. I still think it's trying to make a move back to 42, 41 to 42. And then look to consolidate. That's honestly where I think the market's heading right now. I think we found that little bit of a bottom zone that we've been sitting in for the past, past month really. So, I'm hoping February kicks off. I know it's a short month, man, but I hope February is an overall green month for the entire market, stocks and crypto combined. And I'm looking at a couple different cryptos right now. FTM, man, I sold it at 289. Let's see where Phantom's at right now. It's at 209. So that was definitely a good trade. I'm just trying to be a little patient before I pick me up some more. Might be able to get a little bit cheaper. FTM. Let me pull this up. Yeah, I missed that 190 dip on it, man. Now it's kind of starting to at least try to break out. What's good about the market though right now, man, that was, toward the end of these January, about the 20th, man, that was just a really hard fall we took. And there's not much for a gap fill if things would take off. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. The gap fill definitely played itself out in the plays that we talked about yesterday. Man, they had a lot of runners today. I'm sure if I look at the overall market status, it was probably mostly green. So yeah, I'm still watching Canoe. I might actually pick me up a few more. It's up about 25%. Since I started looking at it, so I don't know. I'm watching for $2-3 on it, honestly. I think it could get to 4 or 5, but I'm not gonna be greedy on it. I'm gonna take some profits around 3 if I can get that out of it. That's 100%, so I'm happy with it, man. Let me see this. Super Silver Haze to the moon. I have 2 leaps on BITF. Yeah, Clown Baby's playing some calls on BITF. December 2022 and then December 2023, I believe. So he's got some pretty out the money call options, man.
Those leaps, 2-year leaps on BITF, that's an insane play, right? Because that could be crazy. I mean, if you follow crypto over the last 8 years like I have, 2-year leaps, who knows what happens in crypto from now till then, you know what I mean? That's we're used to a 3 or 4 year cycle based on the halving of Bitcoin, but things have changed. We've got more adoption than we've ever had before. So those 2-year leaps could be really crazy going forward.
Yield YGG coin is ripping and still going. Let's pull it up real quick. Yield games. Holy crap! Say that 10 times quick. Yeah, it looks good, man. Past 14 days, you hit that little bottom.
Yield games. Oh, were you not talking to me?
Nah, you good. You good, bro?
No, I'm just playing, man. Yield games.
Yeah,
We're looking at this or what?
Yeah, I got it pulled up on the chart. You probably got that 10-second delay if you're looking at the stream. So, yeah, it took that dip with everything else in January. It's definitely working its way back. I mean, the whole market just seems to be moving in tandem, man. It's kind of crazy. But I've not checked this out before. So, I'll watch it, man. One shot tends to throw out some pretty good crypto plays when they're moving, man.
Yeah, one shot?
Yeah, he's
Shout
pretty
out
good
to
at
One
calling
Shot.
out some plays.
Always
Shout out to
shout
One Shot.
I appreciate you, bro. Bring me on here and let me shout out to One Shot on the mic.
No, it's all good, brother. So let me see this.
I still see those 69s hanging up there, though, in the chat.
I'm 69. Dude, you crazy for that, bro. You know I love you, though. So,
I love you too, bro.
yeah, man, it's nothing but love, man. So, what's up in the chat? What y'all buying anything today? Let me know in the chat what y'all picked up. I bought some more canoe guys, like I told y'all last night. I'm happy with it. I'm sitting tight. I'm gonna be watching it tomorrow, though. You think this is a fake out, Bulldog, or what? You think we're having a fake out in the markets?
No, I think we got some buying, we got some selling, we got some investors, we got some short-term traders. We got Adam E, aka Lieutenant Likes, talking about giggity in the chat. What you talking about, giggity, man? You gotta at least throw a joke out there when you're talking about giggity. What's up, Adam E? Appreciate that, man. As far as fake out goes, look at the chart. Zoom out on the chart. I'm looking at the chart right now. And I see some consolidation. I see some real buying pressure on crypto right now. And you're going to see the same thing across the institution real soon. And that Bitcoin ETF we're talking about, spot ETF, it's going to be a game changer. And the fact that you shine light on that, I'm telling you, man, that's probably going to be the most game changer of all things right now.
Yeah, that's, I'm happy you feel the same way, man, because, like, I'm looking at that thing and I'm like, dude, that is the biggest effing catalyst we're going to have all freaking year if this thing gets approved, man, or at least from what I can see. I mean, people been waiting for Bitcoin
billions and billions of dollars coming into BTC in real time, not even just the derivatives and all that's out there right now. You got billions of institutional dollars coming into BTC in real time, which everything else is tied to.
Yep, and
that's amazing.
Even on these Twitter spaces we've been covering, man, we talked about regulations the other night. It might not necessarily be a bad thing for crypto. It might, calm the institutional investors to give them more confidence, man. You might actually get more buying out the deal depending on the type of regulations they got coming out on it. So it's definitely going to get interesting here, man, especially, March is going to be a crazy month, man. We got the Fed, we got Bitcoin spot ETF. If that thing doesn't get approved, watch out. It could take a little tumble on us, but overall, I'm pretty confident that they're gonna approve it. So we'll see what happens, man. But Adam E, man, thank you very much for that $10 super chat, giggity. Appreciate it, my man.
At the same time, Matt, nothing like this has ever been approved before by the SEC. So this would be a brand new thing, right? So the odds of it happening, I'm not sure. But it is a brand new thing. This spot ETF, the fact that the SEC can count on the price of Bitcoin and not think that it's going to be damage to the retail trader. It's going to be a big thing. So anyway, we're going to break that news to you guys instantly as soon as it happens. That's 100%. If they
Dude,
that's going to make a big difference.
Are you like fucking multitasking over here, bro? What you doing? This dude just dropped a 69 super chat saying, "What up, Adam?" That's the most expensive I've ever seen anybody to say what's up, man. That's what's up, though.
I just said, what, Adam? You know, he said some shit to me. He said 69, Bulldog? And I said, what, Adam? What? So that's what it is. And, yeah, don't ever try to out-echo the Bulldog. What is up, fam? So much appreciation for you guys joining us tonight here on Matt's Market YouTube.
This dude. Adam E says, "You heard me, boy. I said giggity, all right. Thank you, Adam E, for that $10. I'll make you holla. Super chat, my friend."
Adam E, you heard me, boy. I said giggity. Love it.
Whoa.
Thank you so much, Adam E.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's what's happening in the market right now. You know, I think a lot depends on that. Of course, there are other catalysts. We got ADA and the whole NFT catalyst going on there. We got NFTs going nuts everywhere, right? If you're following NFTs, make sure you're following Matt's Market. He's about to cover that whole NFT situation that's going on.
Yeah, we actually got an NFT space on Twitter this weekend, so y'all make sure y'all tune in, man. We'll be talking lots of projects.
Breaking it on what's going on with NFTs this year, because it is huge, and I know a lot of people are like, NFTs, they're non-flushable turds, they're this, they're that, right? It's going to be a big deal, and there are really big use cases for NFTs, and there are really serious art cases for NFTs, and we're going to be covering that. So
yeah, man. I mean, we talk about it all the time, bro. I mean, the use case for NFTs, dude, that's gonna be the future, man. So we'll be covering it on Sunday, man. Y'all make sure to come check us out over on Twitter. It's gonna be a great show.
I kind of feel like the art case for NFTs is what's up with real art, right? You got all these Mona Lisas, you got all these Starry Nights, right? All these Vincent Van Goghs. It's like there's so many fake ones out there. If you had a real NFT tied to a real piece of art, then you would know that you had the real one, and that's the only way to know that you have the real one, because there's probably like 50 Starry Nights out there by Vincent Van Gogh, but you don't have the NFT, so you can't provably say that you're the only one. That's what's beautiful about Bitcoin. What's beautiful about blockchain is it's the truth. You know, there's no denying it.
There's no fucking denying it, man.
Yeah. All right, I gotta go. I mean, I gotta go super chat Adam, so I'm gonna.
Nah, hey, dude. Hey, nah. Thank you, bro. Hey, appreciate you just coming in, man. You know you're welcome anytime, bro. Damn, dude. Thank you for those super chats, man. Very rarely get to talk to the man who's super chatting me, much less talk to the man while he's super chatting me. So appreciate the love, man. You already know it will be reciprocated, my friend. Love you very much, man. Thank you for coming up.
You already know, bro. Yeah, boys for life. And man, the shit that you bring here, like I come here, right? And I own a stock channel that goes over lots of shit. And the shit that you bring here, breaking news. So make sure you follow Matt's Market. Get this breaking shit. He calls me, you know, hey, man, you let me know about so many breaking things. It's freaking amazing. So much love, Matt's Market.
Hey, much love, man. It's all good, man. And yeah, guys, I'll be hosting BDT tomorrow, so y'all come check us out. Make sure to drop them a subscribe too, man. I got a show Wednesday and on Friday, so make sure to come check us out. All right, let's get into it, guys. That was a really good treat, man. Always love having Bulldog come in and show that love, man. You already know what time it is. Let's see where we're at, man. Dude got the spelling check going. This dude dropped another one, bro. This dude's going crazy, man. Bulldog Trading, thank you for that. 69.69 super chat times 4, dude. Man, thank you, man. Appreciate the love. Appreciate you helping me keep the lights on, man. That's what's up, my dude. Thank you for making that little kid dance on my screen. All right, guys, so we're gonna bust out some TA. Let me catch up with the chat real quick. Yeah, new went cray from when I bought it at 19 cents. Absolutely. Where's this thing at? Let's check it out. This is new Puxin. So let's pull it up here on the big chart. That's not it. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, it's really hard to do some TA off this thing. I mean, this thing is just straight up nice, bouncing off this 50. Waiting for a 200 possible retest. I don't know if we're gonna see it anytime soon. The way this is looking, hit a high of 260 today. It's at 223. So let's widen this gap up, see kind of where we're at. It's really hard to do some TA right here because, you know, you're floating at some highs right here. So I'm expecting this thing to come down, so just be careful, guys, if you are holding this. You know, I didn't purchase in it yesterday. It's kind of a FOMO play, but it definitely panned out today, another 25%. And, you know, some of these market movers, when they start moving like this, 20%, 30%, you know, you can definitely have a day where they explode, get a massive amount of buying volume stepping in, and, you know, they'll run 40-50%. So might be something to watch. I would definitely have it on your watch list right now. Any W Puxin. I'm not gonna invest in it just simply for the fact that it kind of ran away from me already. So I'll be watching it. WEI. Let's check it out. Another one OMG called yesterday. $2.17 is up 10% today, coming off a nice bull flag, really maintaining it. Not really breaking down. So kind of tried to break down right here. We hit 154, but all the way back to 217 already. So let's get to the 30-minute chart right here. Looking pretty good. I mean, you could end up trying to form a little cup and handle right here. We'll see what happens in the next couple days, but this is another one that's definitely on my watch list right now. That on top of all your crypto mining stocks, we had HUT run. We had BITF do its thing once again, and Bitcoin is still kind of steady right now. So what's going on? It's hard to tell, but these stocks are definitely gearing up, and, you know, it's kind of a gauge that we can look at. You know, you start looking at these crypto mining stocks, they hold a lot of relevance to what's happening in the crypto market. So maybe we're anticipating a bit of a run here on Bitcoin. Who knows, man? But they are definitely ripping and rocking right now. Let's pull up BITF, do some quick TA on that thing. So Clown Baby, if you got your BITF, man, you are sitting fat right here. You broke this top right here. So I mean, I really think you're gonna find a little traffic here at exactly $4. Let's see where we at on the chart. $3.95 in the aftermarket hour. Big day tomorrow for crypto mining stocks. If you break out again tomorrow and pull another 5-10% day, that will put you around $4.50. That's going to look really nice, man, if you can get back to that level. That is a gap fill. Like, that's the gap fill that we talked about last night across the market. The market did exactly what we thought it was going to do. A lot of stocks and cryptos today are on this ascending level of support. Stocks a little bit more than crypto, but it is looking good, man. I still think there's room for this gap fill up here to 450. Potential. If we can break over 4, you know, we might go on a run straight to 450, come down, consolidate, trade sideways. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm betting on here in the short term, guys. So we'll see what happens and see if that comes, that holds true throughout the next couple of days. But I'm thinking we're going to catch a lot of problems here, that 450 range here on BITF, you know, but rightfully so. We came from $2.93, so trying to gain up there. So we'll see what happens with that. Give me 1 second. Let me pull this up. Let me take this down. Pop. Okay, got that taken care of. Yeah, guys, man, that was cool. That was really cool having Bulldog pop in here, man. Show that love. That was freaking cool, man. Viral videos, mass market forget art-based NFT. I'm making an NFT which gives you fractional ownership in Arizona Cardinals season tickets. Hey, that's pretty cool, man. I got a little NFT spot in the Discord, man. Why don't you drop that in there, man? I'll check it out. I'll probably never go to Arizona, but never say never, huh? But that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like the concept, man. I really do. I don't like new is done either. I don't think new is done either. I got you. Yeah, it might not be done. You might see another 20% tomorrow. It's just I'm not gonna FOMO into it. That's a FOMO lister right there. That needs to be on your FOMO list. Midnight we fire. Hey, I hope so. Just bum. Hopefully we wake up to much higher crypto prices, man. Did you buy some LICY? I did not. I picked up Canoe. That's, you know, that was the gamble I took. You know, Canoe's, where's that thing at? Let's pull it up here on the charts. I'm not trying to push it down your throats by any means. Do your own research, do your own DD. I just think this is going to be a pretty good gap fill. Potentially back up to, hold on, let me make sure I got the right one. Yeah, I think you're gonna gap fill back to at least $2-3 right here, 250 off this pool. I mean, you might catch some traffic right at $2, so kind of looking for this area, but it is definitely moving back in the right direction. 175 is gonna give us a little trouble, so be on the lookout for that level. But after that, I think it's definitely shooting back to the 250 range, and there's not much in the way. You know, this thing has gone on a bit of a pattern trending wise, where, you know, you come back to the beginning, that 120, you're up to 7. You come back to 119, and take it. This was a pretty good time frame right here. This was November to freaking August right here, and then from August you hit $4 down here. I think next time you're gonna be heading up. Bulldog. Hey, thank you, man. Coming in hot. That dude's still here. Hey, I appreciate you coming in on tonight, man. Dropping all these super chats, man. That 169. Super chat, dude. Hey, thank you, man. Much freaking love. But no, OMG, to answer your question, I did not pick up some LICY. Are you currently holding some? Let me know how much you're holding. That'd be some pretty good knowledge. I'd like to know personally, just so I can kind of keep an eye on it tomorrow for you. I know you're watching these stuff perfectly, but you know, I'm gonna put it on my watch list, making sure I got price alerts set. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking, man, you toward the bottom, you hit that 114. That seems to be the trend, man. Even when you hit 121 right here, you shot back up to $4, and you know that was 1, 2. Is it going to repeat itself? I think so. I think a third time's the charm. You might even bust that $4. There's potential you could bust that 4, go back to $5-6. But you know, I think safe bet right here. I think 3.5, maybe $4 you can get off this Canoe right here. And if you get some good news, man, I mean, the sky's the limit. Really, it's super cheap, man. You can pick up 1,000 shares for $1,600. So you know, $1,000, that's, you know, 1,000 every dollar runs up. So I would definitely look at it. LICY will do well with the electric cars coming out. Let me see what kind of cars they busting out. Let's see it. Let me pull it up here. LICY. See if I can get some prototypes or something. Okay, so LICY is forms lithium-ion battery partnership with the Atlas Motor Vehicles. Atlas Motor Vehicles, a startup mobile technology company, announced today that it has entered into agreement with Li-Cycle Corp, LICY, a leader in the lithium-ion battery resource recovery. So yeah, this is the battery play we talked about. Lucy's ability to recover crucial and critical battery materials and reintroduce them into the supply chain makes them an ideal partner for Atlas, who is developing a fully electric vehicle platform with the ability to recharge a 500-mile range battery in less than 15 minutes. Wow, that's pretty good. You know, it's enough time to pull off the highway, use the bathroom, grab you a snack, and you're pretty much charged. Additionally, Li-Cycle's recycling process will be less expensive for Atlas than mining from new supplies. So wow, they're actually making it less expensive to recycle the battery material instead of going out and mining new supplies. So that's a plus. That's definitely a plus. This might actually be a decent freaking long-term hold, guys. Where's this thing at? LICY. Man, this thing, to me it sounds like a $20 stock. I'm just saying that tentatively. This strikes me as a $20, $25, like a charge point right now. Where's charge point? I know two different kind of companies, but charge point, let's see where that thing's at. It's at 14.24. So LICY. Let's see what we got going on. Dude, what is this dude doing, man? This dude is I love this guy, man. Thank you, Bulldog, dude. Wow, bro. Another 69 super chat, my man, coming in freaking hot, bro. Hey, love you too, man. You already know nothing but love, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you, man. So turn your phone off. You're wasting all your money on this live stream, bro. But nah, you know I love you, man. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, I got that OMG. What's up, Caesar? Yeah, you boys in here dropping some love. So yeah, LICY. Man, I can't say nothing bad about it. I'm probably gonna buy some. I'm gonna watch it tomorrow and see what it does. It has been on a bit of a run, but that is definitely some good news. I do think you'll start to get some competition for them, so I'm gonna do my own research, kind of see what other companies might already be, you know, doing what they're trying to do over here. 69 is what it is. The CEO of LICY was on Fox Business. Oh, that's cool. If he was over there, dropping that knowledge, I'm sure it helps. Everything helps. Adam E coming in hot. Oh, I'm still on echo. I'm sorry about that. Adam E coming in hot. BD always shilling pineapples and 69s. I swear, you already know, man. Nothing but pineapples in Utah, man. That's my boy. I have LICY on my watch list. Clown Baby says, absolutely, man. It's up, dude. I mean, it's been moving. It has definitely been moving. News been moving too, man. I thought that thing was done. I'm not touching it. It's up what 50% the past 2 days. That's you know, that's FOMO in territory right there. You know, when that thing comes down, you know, it's gonna try to find some support. No telling where. So just be careful with it. If you're FOMOing into new, it has just keep that in mind. It has ran 50%. So it's got to be on the watch out for that. Let's check out some Dogecoin real quick. Kind of see what that thing's what it's been doing. Consolidation. Bulldog said it earlier to a T. Consolidation picture perfect right here. Consolidation favors the bulls, man. I honestly think you're getting ready for another leg up. Maybe even to that 15.35 range, somewhere around that 200 exponential moving average here off the 4-hour chart. So it's kind of what I'm looking for. We'll see what happens. This dude, Bulldog, man. This dude's going nuts, man. Man, you made me 10K plus. You the effing man. You're the effing man, my friend. Thank you very much, man, for that $10.69 to pay your rent. Super chat, man. That's awesome, man. Thank you, man. Ben Collins, what's happening, man? Win 40K. Maybe today. Not today. Tomorrow. Hopefully. I don't know. But 40K is inevitable, man. Let me pull up the Bitcoin chart. We're on a nice ascending level of support, man. We're setting some higher highs, higher lows. We are approaching a gap fill area here off of Bitcoin, dude, where we could start to move pretty freaking decently, man. I mean, there's not much in the way after we get over this. I would have to argue 39.3, kind of where we got rejected at right here today. So I'm watching this 39.3 for a possible breakout to 40,000 pretty quickly. And I mean, there's not much in the way between 41.3. So possibly if we can get this break tomorrow. I mean, we touched it today, got rejected. I really want to see this break. This is going to kind of tell me where the market's heading here in the next couple days for sure, because I mean, look at this. If you get rejected here, you'll probably go back to 36.4, and that's not what we want. We want to gap fill up and fill this area right here, and there's not much in the way. I mean, you got a line right here at 39.6, but it is a very, very skinny doji candle right here, so I don't think it's going to affect us. I'm looking at this area right here, and that's not much either. If we can get buying pressure stepping in, and the bulls will be watching it at this area right here. If we break up right there, yeah, you're going to make some pretty nice profits here across the board. We'll probably have Doge back above 15, maybe 15.50. A lot of higher crypto prices, so it might be a good good buying opportunity right here still before we gap fill up above that 40K level, which I'm really hoping for. The gap fill happened in the stock market we talked about last night off the live stream. So you know, these levels are starting to get filled. It's money making time right here. So when it gets to a point where it's time to sell out, of course I'll alert everybody in Discord, you know, let y'all know what I'm doing. But right now it's still a good buying opportunity across the market. Let's see what we got in the chat. Yeah, man, you already know, Bulldog. I'm gonna hit you up as soon as we get off the stream, my brother. Stevie E, what's happening, man? Good to see you in the chat. I really got lucky on new, but when you're up 830%, you gotta brag a little bit. Oh, hey, no doubt. You know, you got stock at 19 cents and that thing rips like that. Yes, you definitely have some bragging rights. Oh man, any stock exchange should have LICY. Oh, okay. Where do I trade LICY? Yeah. I mean, you can pick it up on Webull, man. I got a link in the description below. If you sign up, you get 2 free stocks. I get 2 free stocks. It's a win-win, man. I don't know if you trade in stocks, but Webull is the charts you're seeing off the screen right now, man, and they're the best in my opinion. What's up, John Rian? How you doing, man? Good to see you in the chat, my friend. Always a pleasure. Hey, you almost at 2K subs? Yeah, I'm getting close, man. I need like what, four subscribers, so. Yeah, man, I'll hit it. I've been slacked off for a while. Let me see if yeah, I'm still off a little bit, so it's all good. Hey, Bulldog, if anyone listened to you for the last year, you're a millionaire now. This is something, Matt. I know you're humble, but you know what it is going on, period. Yeah, man. Hey, thank you for that, man. And you know, we had some pretty big movers throughout last year, man. Dude, it was you know, Dogecoin, AMC. We had a lot of great plays last year, and you know, I need to get better. I'm always trying to get better. So yeah, I am humble, but thank you for that, man. You know, it is what it is. You made me some pretty good tennies too yourself, man. So that's why I always happily shill BDT anywhere I go, man, because y'all guys got it going 24/7, man. And you know, I'm really happy to be a part of the team over there, man. And I'm really excited about tomorrow night. You know, so guys, everybody in the chat, I will be hosting. I won't be doing a mass market show tomorrow. I'll be on BDT. You know, we're trying to kick some stuff off over there, so I'm gonna be having some set times where I'm going over there. So it's gonna be freaking awesome. Moving on up. That's it, Ben Collins. Subbed a long time ago. Great channel. Thank you, John. I really do appreciate it, my friend. So right now, Bitcoin 38.5, it is looking good, my friend. I'm still confident that we're moving back in the right direction. I think the gap fill to 41 is a possibility even this week if we continue this pattern we're seeing. And you know, I think institutions are stepping back into the game. I think we still got that time frame, kind of what I've been talking about for the past month. How February, I thought mid-January to February was going to start to really moved back in the right direction. I was about 2 weeks off. Now we're starting to see some growth in the market, so that's a very good sign. I think it will continue for the majority, possibly the next 2-3 weeks in the crypto space, and then and stocks too. So I think there's a lot of gap fills to make some money, but it's going to be short and quick. We're going to have to hit these and get out. You know, these gap fills, when they happen, you know, if we can consolidate and look for another leg up, that's one story we'll talk about when we get to that point. But this is what I'm eyeing for, guys. I think it's going to happen here, possibly Thursday or Friday, maybe even this weekend. But I think Bitcoin gap fills back to 41. That is what I'm predicting here in the short term. And I don't like to give short-term predictions like that. You know, I've been weary as of late, even giving some long terms, because, you know, I was convinced Bitcoin was going to break 69,000 last year, and that didn't happen, man. So, you know, you got to be careful with you know, people get these types of expectations in the market, and I don't ever want to put that on people. But what I can tell you in the short term right here, I think this gap fill is 100% possible, and I am betting that we gap fill up. So I'm just waiting for this break above this 39.3, 39.4, you could say. If we get a nice volume step in right here, we're gonna shoot back to 40.41 pretty quickly. And then I want to kind of see where we do end up after that. If, you know, how hard are we going to fall? Because I don't like those violent moves to the upside. You know, you're staring at a potential breakout point right here with these two tops right here at 39.3, 39.4. So that's a potential breakout point to bring you back to 40K. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what freaking happens. Bulldog still in here, dude. This dude's still in here super chatting, man. I can't help but love this dude. Hey, I love you too, man. Thank you for that $2 make you holla super chat, man. And then look, my brother L Snap, man. Much love, brother. Thank you very much, L Snap, for dropping that love. Much appreciated, my man. Thank you for making this little kid dance on my screen. We got GP in the house too as well, dropping some hearts. GP, man, you know we love you, bro. We got your back like a butt crack, man. We're here if you ever need. It's possible nothing will move till the 10th when we get next CPI data. Yeah, and that's 9 days away. I mean, we saw what happened, 7% last month. Bitcoin ran 5%. So I think this gap fill is still possible, but it's tight, and that's why I'm kind of thinking if it's going to happen, it's going to happen by this weekend. I really do. I think if we're going to make a nice little run, and look, we might have to talk about taking profits right here off these short-term trades that we're trying to execute here. So we'll talk about it. Things change, you know, so we'll see. Nah, it's all good. BD, kicking ass for the working class. You already know, Mr. Snap. Watch you every single day, man. Look, Sabrina in here dropping a heart too. Man, you know we love y'all. I cannot wait for the show tomorrow. We are busting out some new stuff for BDT. So guys, if you ain't heard, be hosting up some stuff over there. It's gonna be a fun time. So, but that's what I'm thinking, guys. I still think we gap fill across the board. I want to check out Shiba real quick. Shiba still consolidating, man. The market is consolidating, and look, after the violent downtrend that we had since December 15th, where everything's just been falling and falling and falling, we have finally found support. We bounced off of it and we consolidate. And that is bullish, man. That is a bullish pattern right here. So I'm fully expecting consolidation favors the bulls and we get a pretty nice leg up. And I think it's all going to happen at once across the board. So, you know, this could be something that happens, and you know, we go on a little bit of run for a minute, but we also have to keep in mind CPI data on the 10th. We got the Fed talking in March. We got Bitcoin ETF coming up here shortly. So you know, we got all kind of equations going into the mix right now. So we have to make sure that we're extremely careful what we're doing here. But these gap fills right here are holding true, and they're starting to come to fruition. So very happy with it. I'm very happy with my canoe buy today. LICY, I'm probably going to start dropping some into it, being that, you know, dude, these people are recycling batteries cheaper than mining the new materials to remake the batteries. I mean, that's freaking awesome, man. What we got? We have to take into account how AI is also a player in all the markets. Absolutely, man. I mean, you got trading bots, all this stuff going on in all these markets, man. They got machines trading for them. There are like a few days in trading with AI playing a major factor. Yeah, it definitely is, man. Me and Matt are AI. Hey, straight up, bro, we got some stuff pulling out, man. Y'all are gonna be surprised about. Eventually, y'all find out. Yeah, me and Bulldog working on some pretty big stuff behind the scenes, man. Which I'm super excited for, man. And guys, like I said, if y'all ain't caught our Twitter show, man, make sure to follow Bitcoin Regulate at Market Mats. Y'all hit us up on Twitter. You drop me a follow, of course, I'm gonna follow you back. You know, you're my fam, so. We've been hosting these pretty big spaces. We got an NFT space this weekend. Some pretty big players in the game are going to be there, man. All the top names are going to be in this space talking about their projects. We're going to be letting people up. Of course, we'll let some people come up and show the projects. So it's going to be a really, really freaking awesome show, man. We're going to talk about NFTs, where we see them going in the future, which ones hold true value. It's going to be a great freaking overall show, man. New page graphics look great. Hey, thank you, Odie Fro. Really appreciate it, man. I was trying to, you know, I had that whole little open end on the background where you could see the space and stuff, and I'm like, man, you can't really see the charts extremely well. I went back and watched a video. Finally, I don't watch my own videos. It's just something I don't do. So I went back and watched. I'm like, man, it's really hard to see the tickers. So now I got it. You know, it's where Shiba's kind of weird, but you know, for Dogecoin, you pull it up here off the 5-minute chart, and you know, you can see the candlesticks pretty good. You don't have that clear background, kind of you know, impairing your view of the candlestick. So yeah, I want to change it around. What's up, Lens? What the gator head doing? You looking thick? What's up, Anonymous Pant? I'm not thick, man. I'm not fat whatsoever, but thank you very much, man. Gained a few pounds over the past week being sick, but what's happening, man? Nah, you're amazing, Bulldog. Appreciate it, man. Too many NFT scams at the moment for me to get on board. Yeah, and that's the thing, OMG. You really have to be careful. You got to know what you're investing in, who you're investing in. You know, so many projects out there. What we got? Crypto is the future, but the Fed hates losing power and control. Yeah, absolutely. They don't want DeFi. Hey, Gator Hate. Only a shit that you can make money on. OMG. That's it. Thick isn't fat. The chin looks like a nice landing zone. Thank you for that, Anonymous Pant. The fattest in the market. Pull us up. The fattest, hottest in the market today. Thank you for that, Anonymous Pant. Appreciate it, man. It's all good. So, yeah, guys. Hopefully we see these gap fills come true. Let me know what you're buying. I'm picking up probably some more Manicure. Pick up some more Phantom. And then tomorrow I'll probably pick up some LICY. I think that's going to treat us well long term. Also want to do a little bit DD on it to make sure, you know, see what other companies are actually doing the same thing that they're doing over there. So, is what it is. LMFAO. No, already know. One was that OpenSea app where making fake NFTs. Yeah, yeah. There was also a thing where like these scammers were sending NFTs to your wallet, and if you would click on it or open it, it would drain your account. So yeah, it's a lot of stuff going on. Landing zone. Well, buy low, so high. Let me see this. Man, I never really messed with the nodes, man. So I wouldn't want to comment on it, man. I don't know a whole bunch about them. Are you looking into them though? Let me know. I'll definitely check them out. Bulldog Trading coming in hot with another one, dude. $4.99, Matt. Thank you for your info. You the man. You the man, BD. You must have had a little to drink. Absolutely, Lindsay. He's my boy though, so nothing but love. Man, y'all all showed up, man. Hey, thank y'all. So I can't wait for tomorrow, Lindsay. I'm super stoked about the BDT, me hosting the show over there. It's gonna be a great time. I got a few things to give with y'all about too before that happens. So I'm gonna look to wrap it up here, guys. I gotta work on tomorrow night, but y'all come check us out, Bulldog Trading on YouTube. Y'all make sure to drop them a subscribe. Tomorrow's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll be going live on the mic, but they are live 24/7. So any point of the day, y'all come check them out. Really awesome, great group of people. As you can see, they're all here in my live stream right now. So like, they're freaking awesome, man. Nothing but love. To each his own though. But just don't feel good about NFTs. Absolutely. Yeah, if you don't feel good about them, don't invest in them. Don't do it. Only I preach it all the time. Only invest in what you believe in. You know. Man, this dude is Enzo, bro. I know who you are. Anonymous Pan. I know exactly who you are, bro. I know exactly who this dude is now. You know, I'm reading comments and stuff, trying to, you know, get everything clicking. But I figured out who you are, man. Nah, don't sub to me. Matt is way better, man. Teach his own, man. Teach his own. Man, I don't know. I put this little thing up there, Adam, bro, and I don't know why your name is up there. But it is on top of my screen. Thank you for that super chat, man. I don't know why my name is underneath Matt, but I'm straight cheesing anyway. Thank you very much for that $5 Make You Holla super chat. We just having a little chill spot, Skydive. Thank you very much for tuning in. Know the anonymous part. I know who you are, bro. Bruh. You cracking me up, man. LICY is one of my favorites. I think it'll do well. Plus, these trying to do some good for the planet. Yeah, absolutely. If they're recycling battery materials cheaper than what it is to mine them, I'm all for it. Adam E is the effing man, coming in hot from BDT. $2 Make You Holla super chat, man. So hey, thank you, Bulldog. Hey, thank you, BDT Trading fam. You know, we'll see y'all tomorrow night. Y'all come check us out over there. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I got some stuff to do on the back end for tomorrow night. So y'all come check us out. We'll be hosting the show. Also, we got the Twitter space, me and Bulldog, on this Sunday on NFTs. So, you know, like them, don't like them, come check them out. You know, worst you can get is some knowledge. So I think it'd be very cool to have y'all there. So love you too, Adam E. Everybody, I'm out of here. I got some background work to go do. Hey, thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for showing up tonight, man. It was a blast. You know, I need to get back in the swing of things, and that's what I'm trying to do. $16. Then, bro, you be killing me, bro. What would you do for 2020? Yeah, you already know, brother. Nothing but love, Enzo. Nothing but love. Bulldog, dude, once again, this dude dropping the hearts, man. 99 cent, dude. I'm gonna get off the stream before Lindsay beats him up. So I love y'all. Skydive, much love. Have a great night. Hit that like button. Thank you, Linz. I'll see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night.